Hi parents and students. I wanted to give you kind of an overview on Seesaw and some of the links to YouTube and such that we're going to be using for distance learning, just to try to make the process a little bit easier. So I'm going to walk you through on my screen the best that I can. I'm going to log in as a student so that you can see what it looks like. It could possibly look a little bit different on whatever device you are using. I am doing this on a laptop. It may look different on a tablet or on a phone, but this is the best I can do with trying to show you where things are. So I'm going to log in to Seesaw as a student. So when I log in, go, it should come up and look something like this. I have put some activities in here that are going to be the activities for tomorrow. They're not posted onto your Seesaw Live yet. I put these here just for the just for this demo so that you could see what we would do. Over here to the right, you have three tabs. You have Journal, Activities, and Inbox. In the inbox would be if I sent any messages. So these are old messages that I have sent. If I send any announcements, they will be in this inbox. This is where you're going to find actually the daily schedule for the day and what is going to be required as far as assignments for each day. I have not put this into Seesaw yet. But this is what it will look like. It's distance learning, daily tasks and schedule, and it gives a sample schedule of how we could do this. And in red, it gives the exact description of the assignments that will need to be done for the day. The only items that have an absolute required time would be our 2 Google Meets for the day. One of them will be from 10 to about 10:30, and during that time we're going to do a morning meeting, and we're also going to do a little math lesson and have a question time. And then the other one would be in the afternoon. We will do another Google Meet where at 1:30, where we will do another just an afternoon check-in, and we will do a reading lesson during that time. The other activities will not be live at certain times, so you can do them as needed. Like I said, this is just a suggested schedule that kind of follows what we would do at school if you want to keep things as similar as possible. I put on the bottom, teacher office hours are from 8:30 to 12 and 1:30 to 3. I will be online during those times every day. So if you or your child have a question at all, just send me a message and we'll open up a Google Meet and I can help them with anything that they're stuck on or anything they just need a little extra help with, or if you just have a question about something, I am available during those times. Of course, Google Meet times are excluded because I will be working with your children on the Google Meet during that time. So back to Seesaw here. That is where the inbox is where you will find those announcements. When you go to the journal, this shows items that your child has done, and at the top of the journal every day is going to be pinned this. It will be up there every day. It's the learning links that we're going to use throughout our distance learning. Now, we won't use all of these every day, but they are all here for you to access. The first one, of course, is Google Meet, and when you click on the link, it will take you straight to our Google Meet. It will link you straight there, so you won't have to try to find the link anywhere. It will be right there for you. Okay, so that is to take you straight to the Google Meet. Another one that is very important that we will be using a lot is YouTube. This one is going to take you straight to my YouTube channel, which is where I will be posting video lessons. I have created playlists within this, and the playlists are basically the Sorry, I'm just looking and realizing that all of the playlists that I created are not there. I'm going to have to go back and look at that. But this playlist, for example, is the Read Aloud playlist. It's all that I have in there right now, actually. But you would be able to click on it and find all of the Read Alouds that I will be doing. This is the one for tomorrow. It's what I have uploaded right now. But there will be other playlists that will have all of the, for example, it will have the reading lessons, the math lessons, the health, science, social, all of the lessons will be posted to YouTube, and they will be in folders or playlists, I should say, labeled with the subject, so you should be able to find them very simply right there on the YouTube channel. And again, this link takes you right there. Another one that the kids will be asking about is Accelerated Reader. They will be having time for independent reading, and they will be able to take their quizzes right at home. So when you click on this, it will take you straight to Renaissance. They click on I'm a student, and then they will just have to put in their username and their password, and they should know what that is. It is generally their first initial and their last name for the username and their lunch pin for the password. There are a couple of exceptions, but as I said, the kids use this every day and they should know what their login is. If they get stuck, let me know and I will get that to you. IXL is another one we will be using right away. And again, click on that. It should take you straight to IXL. Oop, that has my login information, which you don't need, just because it's saved on my laptop. But it will take you to a page that looks like this, where they will put in their username and the password. And again, it is the same as it was for Accelerated Reader. It's the first initial and their last name, and then their lunch pin for their password. And this will take them straight to their IXL activity. The other one I want to show you today is just that this is a link to the Journeys book, and I do know that they took their Journeys book home, so probably you'll be using their actual book more than anything right now. But if you are ever away from home and you don't have the book available, this link will take you straight to the Journeys book. So that is the learning links in the journal. Then we have this right here with the light bulb where it says activities, and right here it says 4 because that is there's 4 activities signed. I'm going to show you the math lesson this morning just because this is one I want you to be able to know exactly what you have to do. So you would click on my math lesson. This one will be used most days because this is the way they're going to turn in their math work. You have their math book at home, and every day I will assign the pages that I want them to do. After they complete those pages in their book, I would like for them to take a photo of their completed work, and they can use the camera option right here. All they have to do is click on Add Response, and then they're going to take a photo and put it right here. So you can take a photo with the camera right on your device, or you can upload a file if you want to do it that way. So it'd probably be easiest just to take a photo right with your device. I can't do that right now because I'm using the camera to do this tutorial, but it will give you the camera option, and then you can just paste their or put their photo right here. If they want to say anything about it, they can use the microphone tool. If they want to type anything about it, they can use this text box. And they're just going to, when they're all finished putting their page in, they will click on the green check and it will upload it, and I will get their lesson. Okay, so that's how they'll turn in any work. And now you notice that this went down to 3 because they've completed one. I've completed one of the 4 activities. So I would just click back on activities, and it's going to show me my remaining activities for the day. I just wanted to give you this brief overview just so that you're able to see where everything is. You can always send me a message. I would rather messages actually come on reminder via email just because I have so much going on with Seesaw with the kids sending in their work and such. But if you would ever need to send me a message on Seesaw, you can do it through here as well. Click on the inbox and then click on messages, and it should give you the option to send a message if you would like to. I know that this is going to be a little bit of a learning learning curve for all of us as we're getting back into distance learning and it's being done a little bit differently. But hopefully this little tutorial will help you just navigate Seesaw just a little bit better, since we will be using it as for the bulk of our lessons. And remember, those links will always, to all of the other apps that we will use, will always be pinned right to the top of that journal so that they're right there and you won't ever have to dig around to find them. They're right always in the same place. The Google Meet is using the same link every single time. It will not change. And you know, as I said, that I will be available online every day during those office hours, and I am more than happy to help you with any questions or to help your kids with their work, because that's what I'm here for. I am their teacher, and I'm here to help them with their assignments. If they are stuck, we can do it. It's a little bit different doing it this way, but we can definitely make it work. So I appreciate all of your support, and if I can do anything to help out, don't hesitate to reach out and let me know. Have a great day.